family and friends, welcome back in the chat. We go for the room tour, you know, a small room tour from only this room. I can't, you know, the kitchen and all the stuff, it's kind of hard. So, this is what you see, you know. We also gonna leave this place in a few days. So, yeah, it's the last days in here, you know. Welcome. Okay, family and friends. Yeah, what can I show you? So, here are my clothes inside. Yeah, stuff like this is not mine. For example, here is also, you know, from the person I have this. So here we have my perfumes. We have a little bit of food in here, you know, my small bunker, avocados. Oranges are very important in this time. Here's my clothes. Not too many clothes because some of them are getting washed. And yeah, other stuff. What I think is really nice, you can close this and look how big the mirror is. Wait, I have to walk with my PC so I can see if it's disconnecting. Oh, by the way, you can see this light doesn't bring anything. I shouldn't have bought that. This was wasted money. Okay, so now I'm walking like this. So I can see it's blurred or not. By the way, shout outs to the llama socks. Shout outs to everything else. Yeah, I like the mirror, what I already said. Then there you can see the bag that I bought yesterday, still amazing. He's in the bed. What's also in the bed is oftentimes me with the ball. Here's the camera, here's a mirror, I don't know why there's a mirror. Here is my laundry, this I also have to wash. Water bottles, because for some reason they don't drink so much. Here you can also see socks. Tap water, so you have to buy water. Yeah, and this is the view that you usually have, like the oranges, the flowers. Yeah, this is actually all what I have, but it's kind of nice. No, I like it. I like it. It's so different than I imagined. You imagine it different. Oh, by the way, I didn't put this there. That was already there. So yeah, is that the dorm room? Now I'm here with two other people are living here. The other person is living behind that wall, and the other person you might hear doing music at the moment. Yeah, and yeah, as I said, he is a comedian, how I understood. She's a singer, so kind of interesting people I'm living here with. You are tall, yeah, view from that window, please. Yeah, you see it all the time. You see it all the time behind me, no? You are the only one moving out. Yeah, I was only here for 1 month. As I said, like for the people who are new, I'm from Germany. I lived here for 1 month and I'm moving to a different apartment because the girl, you know, you can also see their books. By the way, the plate is because I ate something in the session. I guess you saw that. Here is also the book tower. Those are all books from her. Those are not mine. The only books are mine. Yeah, she comes back on 1st of April, so I have to move out, you know. I want that vintage mirror so bad. Yeah, it's actually really nice. I like it. Did the comedian crack some jokes? Can you even hear me? You guys are so far away with the microphone. Hello, hello, hello. No. No to that question. Yeah, now we had actually today like a kind of a deep talk about things, you know. We can, yeah, I hear you. Nice room, Mr. Pascal. Thanks so much. I remember the yellow perfume. You said it's your favorite and you got it in Christmas or something. Yeah, the perfumes. Yeah, I took my. I think the mirror is actually white. Really nice, because at my student dorm I never had a big mirror like this. Yeah, this is the new perfume. This is my favorite perfume, and this is also a perfume I really like. Oh, and yeah, this is my Stick de Solaire sunscreen. Sunscreen, you know? Oh, yeah, what I can do? You know, in the first few weeks I was laying here, and in the morning it's so bright, like already pretty early I would say, and yeah, sometimes I study just very late with the stream, and then I was like, damn, I can't wake up at 7. And what I think is kind of nice that I can completely make that dark, you know. So we have technically then a dark room. But yeah, also not too crazy to have this, but I like it. I like that I have the opportunity to do that, you know? Are you applying sunscreen daily? I do. It's a beautiful view, yeah. Why not study in bed? Because then I would fall asleep, I guess, if I would study here like this. I ordered this Cartusia perfume because you recommended it to me and it's so good for summer. Pas de problème. Pas de problème. I'm influencing the people. Let's go, let's go. Now, alle mitziehen. Ah, by the way, for the people who wondered if one of my Smurf came with me here, he came with me. He was like also one part of the Lucky Charm duet. There we are. There we are. Damn, looks like the world is coming to an end outside. So dark clouds, but yeah. Ah, by the way, this is, you know, for the people who saw my Instagram photos, you know, those pictures are made on the there's like on the roof of the building, there's like a garden situation, you know, and it's so nice. What I also wanted to tell you, in the night, you know, there's the Eiffel Tower, and the Eiffel Tower does this light which goes around, and he lights up a little bit Paris, you know, and from the balcony you can see that light. If this video gonna be on the Midnight Boy channel, I can add this. Like, then tonight I'm gonna go to the balcony and shoot a video for you there, and then I can add this into the highlight. Garden on the roof where you can see the Eiffel Tower lighting up at night by nah, you can't see the Eiffel Tower. You see the light that goes around the Eiffel. Like the Eiffel Tower has like on top, you know, those big towers who have on top a light to attract the ships, you know, this also has the Eiffel Tower, and you can see this light, but I can't see the Eiffel Tower. That would be crazy, to be honest. Oh, it starts raining. This is really what I like, when it's not raining here too many times, luckily. But the rain is like going against the window. 60 minutes now are running, own the best, and let's go.